muted month for natural gas, where it failed to break past the critical resistance at 2.8 and at the same time got the support from 2.5 levels and stayed within the zone of this support and resistance. What does this mean for natural gas? Can we expect it to break past this resistance and stay bullish from here, or we can see a drop again? Which position you should take trading natural gas next month, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end. Those who are new, let me share that I provide my twice a day analysis on natural gas. First with the Asia session, next with the Europe session, these next with the US session. These two analysis definitely adds value to your day trading decisions, and hence do watch the daily review as well. Press the bell icon, stay tuned. Also, do press the like button and please share, subscribe, and comment. It's always been a great motivation. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, let me share the observation. See, bottom here, rise, retracement, higher highs, higher highs, and it is still giving you higher lows here. If you connect the dots here, you will find it is trading in this bullish channel, connecting the top and the bottom of the channel. Once again, the bottom of the channel coming into picture. Second observation here is the reversal sign which we have seen few days back. Since then we have seen a reversal. However, it is very important to note that the resistance it has got at 2.6, it was very important, very crucial. 4 to 5 candles tried to breach past 2.76, failed to break, and has dropped since then. But at the same time, the important part is it did not break past the bottom of this, which is a good bullish. Now for the next week and next month, first it has to break past 2.7, that is the crucial resistance, then 2.76, and then 2.8. Till here, extremely important levels here, extremely good resistance exists here. Also, if you look at the formation here, see, this is a good pole and flag formation. A breakout about 2.8 is where sky is the limit lies. It is going to rally if it stays about 2.8. Remember, this is a good pole and flag formation. A breakout is what I will look forward. Also, just look at the last candle here. See, lower highs, higher lows, consolidation, and hence for the next week we are not going to trade in between 2.6 and 2.7. This could still remain within this range before giving a breakout here, and hence we should watch out specifically. This zone is specifically a no trade zone, and on the upside 2.76, 2.8 are going to be a great resistance, and on the downside 2.5 to 2.5 levels are going to remain the great support here. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts also similar observation. Yes, the reversal sign and the bottom was formed here. Since then, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. And now this time it is trying to rise, it is trying hard to rise, however getting very tough resistance at about 2.8 levels. However, it has also created a good bottom here, so I will definitely watch out for how it behaves. In fact, till towards 2.5 levels, I will be cautious watchful, and then below that the support will be seen at 2.4 level. But then one more point you should note is, see, on the weekly charts, the bottom here is now at around 2.4 till here. Also, one can expect a reversal, one can expect a bounce back, because see, it has got a good resistance on the upside. And any break below 2.4 in the month of August will call for more bears, and we may see it dropping till towards further. But remember, still I will say the near term bottom for natural gas is done, possibly 2.06 levels. It should not breach in any case. However, these are markets, do not run as per my expectation, though the analysis says so that it is should not breach. Now also let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, you can see here, first is lower highs, second is higher lows. Hence, a breakout is what outside this zone is what we should look forward to, where the bulls and bears will take the charge. On the monthly charts, 2.2 and 2.9 levels, a wide zone, but yes, cannot avoid it. It has to be. This is the zone. In fact, for the near months, for the next few months, whenever you see natural gas trading above this zone, just stay long, and below 2.06 anyways you have to stay short. Now look at the last few months chart. One green candle forming the bottom here, forming the base here, then sideways candle, then another bullish candle, then sideways candle. So it is trying to create a pattern which is still bullish. specifically I will wait for the next week for it to break out, next month for it to break out about 2.8. Certainly beyond this we can expect it to continue with the bullish momentum. Now one more point, if it opens below, trade still towards this level, and in fact till 2.4 we should not treat this as bearish. Yes, it can drop, yes, it can give a red candle, however it will still remain bullish for the near term. For the next to next month again we may see it rising. This is very much very likely, and it is also a good sign for the bulls that this is just a retracement which it is trying to, and beyond this certainly it could bounce back. So for next to next month the chances will still remain bullish till the time 2.4 2.22 levels are respected. Now let's have a look with the indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? See, on the monthly charts, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Remember, the prices are divergent, too much divergent from the moving averages, which are right now sitting at around $4 levels. First is for the moving averages to come down. Second is for the price to retrace. So still there is lot much of upside left. It must try to attempt and achieve these levels. In fact, plus levels somewhere here at around $4 to $5 levels it should achieve in next few months. That is my target. I will definitely look forward for it to achieve these levels very soon. Next is the stochastic, which was oversold. It has recovered. It is trying to come out of the oversold zone. Then the MACD. Now look at the MACD after the sharp rise. It has dropped equally sharply, and it has achieved further lower levels. It has achieved the bottom here. See the candle size here. Now it is trying to converge. This conversion must continue, which means we can expect bullishness. In fact, in the month of August also, it could try to break on the upside and continue with the bullish momentum. I will still expect it to continue with the rise. See, too much of fat belly here. You can see the candle size here. So possibly it requires a conversion, which means a greener candle. RSI on the monthly charts is flat, suggests possibly a rise. Now, look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, moving averages trading with divergence, bearish sign here. These have crossed over earlier, and since then we have seen natural gas trading bearish since $6 levels. Since then, now also if you look at the prices were divergent here, it has converged till towards moving average. The 20 period moving average is now sitting at around 2.76 and giving it a very strong resistance, as breakout above which will try to bring more bullishness here. Now see the gap between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This calls for a probable rise where the 20 period moving average will start looking upwards. This also calls for the monthly candles to converge, and this also calls for the bulls to take over. If it stays about $3 levels, certainly we are going to look at 4 and 5 in the near term. Now look at the weekly stochastic. Rise retracement. You can see it is giving you higher highs, higher lows. So possibly a bounce back will be seen. Look at MACD on the weekly. Now this is where we can see why we have seen a red candle, a sharp bearish candle, minus 1000 levels, and then this retracement. Now if you look at the retracement, though there is still scope for it to continue with the up move, however it is trying to reduce the gap here so that it can easily continue with the momentum. Yes, see what is happened here. This is what I am talking about. When it was bearish, it has seen a sharp move, a little conversion, and then continue with the bearish move. So on the buy side, it can try to converge a bit and then continue with the bullish move. This is one of the probabilities I will be looking forward to. RSI trying to look upwards, trying to stay bullish. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, the 20 and 50 crossover has happened here. Since then we have seen this bullishness. Now it is taking the support and trying to trade between this zone itself. Now also I will wait for the 20 and 100 crossover here. Hence a rise about 2.776 zone certainly will call for the bulls out there, and we are going to look at the bullish momentum there. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is almost at bottom, trying to cross over for sell. But look at the formation here. MACD is almost trading at bottom, and it is trading with this slight bullishness. A breakout on the upside possible. RSI has dropped here, trading comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can not only profit but trade with confidence in the month of August and further next week as well. These levels are important, and before we proceed, I have a couple of services to offer for you. First is my mentorship batch that will start on first week of August. 24th batch is going to start. You should be a part of this. Learn from the experts how to trade confidently, be it commodity, index, forex, crypto, anything. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. First is the levels to buy. Now here a slightly higher levels I will recommend you to buy here at 2.68, expect 2.71. This zone is important. This is the first resistance zone. Yes, you can buy here, but be alert till here. Beyond that 2.76. If and only if you see natural gas beyond 2.6, you can say that the bulls are trying to lift the prices, and then you will expect 2.8. Once it stays above 2.8, just stay long. We are going to look at 2.9, and any move above this, close your eyes, stay long. We are going to look at 3.1, 3.5, and in fact $4 levels, and these levels will remain applicable for the complete month of August. Be careful till towards 2.9 levels. If it stays above this, certainly the bulls will take the charge and it is going to fly high. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.62. However, 2.58, 2.55, 2.52 and 2.5 cannot avoid, but yes, these are the stronger support levels. Only below 2.5 you can expect that directly it is going to look at 2.4, and once it stays about below 2.4, more bearishness will take over. You can expect these levels will certainly get achieved. It appears to be in round, but yes, these levels will certainly get achieved if it stays below 2.4, 2.3, and this will be achievable, and then below 2.3 more bearishness will take over. You have to be careful here on the downside. Even if it tries to drop, it may try to gather more support. However, the more bearishness is going to prevail if and only if it stays above 2.4. This is going to be a critical level below 2.5. So every 10 cents there is a little resistance you should be cautious of. Remember, it can bounce back, so take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. I will still be expecting a bounce, however only if it stays above 2.8 and then 2.9 levels, then and then only. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Do not miss this opportunity. Watch out the Asia session update, very very important, and the US session update. Both are equally important. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.